Hello humans, welcome to my channel. My name is Binny. I hope you all are doing well. Literally in 1 hour I have to start for the airport and here I am shooting the intro for the video. That's where I am at, and by the title of the video you know that we are going to Vienna for a short trip. It's going to be 3 nights, 2 full days. I'm really excited to explore Vienna along with you guys. And of course, before going, I will have to show you what are the things that I have packed because it's a short trip. What are the things that are needed? I have seen the temperature there, it's quite cold. So I'm going to show you what are the things that I packed for my cabin baggage and also a backpack that I'm going to carry. And I hope this video helps you in packing your stuff in case if you're going away for any short trip. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Oh hi, guess what's happening? I am going on a solo trip to Vienna and you guys are coming with me. So let's get started with the packing. The house is of course a mess when you're trying to, pack things. But yeah, this skirt, I have got it, I don't know, long back, but I have not worn it even once. So I have decided this time I have to wear it on my trip. In any way possible, I really want to try this out. So I'm just figuring out what will look good on top. This looks good, it's not bad, like it's cute, but somehow I don't feel it. It's looking cute and all, but not really my vibe. It's like loose from top to bottom, it doesn't give like a proper structure or anything. Let me think of other options. Now this is something that is like really pretty because it's fitted on the top and a little loose on the bottom, so it looks quite nice, of course, but the only problem is it's like really cold there, so that is the only issue. This is a good option, I can go with this. Of course I'll have to figure out the cold situation there, but this is pretty. I was actually just trying this corset. I somehow feel it's a good corset, but it's not going with this. Black color is looking way better than white color, so at least that is sorted. I'm not going to experiment with any other colors on this. I think black it is. I am only allowed 10 kgs for my cabin baggage, so this small trolley bag should be sufficient. This pink bag is from Amazon. I usually use this for my skincare. I'm just showing it to you. This I did not use on my trip. I did not take it for my trip. And here comes some skincare stuff, my makeup remover, my face wash, and then a razor just for emergency purposes, lens solution, and of course lens as well. This is my serum from L'Oreal, and also the moisturizer is from L'Oreal. And then comes my favorite sunscreen, it's a Dermaco, and another moisturizer, just in case. Coming to the hair stuff, some U-pins, some side pins, and of course some safety pins for emergencies. And there are never enough scrunchies for a woman, so yeah. And this particular bag, again, did not take it to the trip, but just showing it to you, I generally use it for my makeup. It might look like a lot of lipsticks for 2 days, but it's good to have a choice. Eyebrow pencil, highlighter, and Fit Me powder, which I really love. And then comes the Nykaa eyeshadow palette, my mascara, Lakme primer. This is my absolute favorite. A blush, eyebrow razor, of course this is also for emergencies, and lip liner. And these are colorful kajals. You can get it in Amazon, green and blue. I usually use this. And the Lakme eyeliner, I've been using that for ages. And this perfume, I did not take it, I took a different one which I will show you. A comb, a contour, and this particular bag I usually use for my lingerie, but I did not take it, again just showing it to you guys, so that if you're going on a longer trips and you have a bigger bag, this will definitely help you sort your things. They have different compartments. So it's really useful. You can check that out in Amazon. And in coming to clothing, I'm not going to show you everything because you can check that in the coming videos on what I wore, but this is just some nightwear for 2 days only, right? Not too many. I'm trying to pack as much less as I can. And this skirt, I just showed you the skirt and top, so I'm packing that as well. And a scarf, absolutely important. And these kind of shorts I always carry. They just can be useful under the skirts. I always wear those kind of shorts under my skirts. Lingerie and panty liners, of course, really important, and without this I don't think I can survive. The fleece leggings and the trench coat. I'm not going to pack the trench coat, I'm going to wear it with me, so that will not go inside. And coming to my backpack now. If you have seen my previous hauls, you know where that bag is from. This is my passport, my hand cream, and of course chargers. You cannot travel without that. This has many compartments which I really love, and of course again a rubber band, mandatory. My goggles, again important wherever I go, and wet tissues, especially on when you're traveling, right? This is really important. And I have also just taken a book in case if I get a chance to read it. My lip balm, some mints, some more mints. There are never enough mints. If you have seen my previous hauls, you know where this is from. And some chocolates in case if I get hungry. All the liquids I have transferred into plastic covers, and be it my face wash, perfume, etc. This is just easy for you to do the security check at the airport. My wallet, my gloves, of course my camera and the camera charger. Don't worry, I also packed my toothpaste and brush. And of course power bank, my tripod, again some more dry fruits in case if I get hungry, laptop, and if there's laptop, of course laptop charger will go, my AirPods. And if you've seen my hauls, again you know the AirPods cover where that is from. Now this is something interesting. I carry some food things so that I can make it there, like masala oats, some rava. Indians know what rava is, so I do take these kind of things so that if I'm bored eating outside, I just want to make something for myself, and these are very easy to make. Of course my smartwatch, and of course the charger of the smartwatch goes with it. Another thing I missed to show you in the backpack is my pee safe. I really take that everywhere whenever I travel. It's good for sanitation. Of course the outfits, footwear, accessories, all that you can see in the upcoming vlogs from Vienna. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That really means everything to me. All you humans from wherever and whenever you're watching this video, have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.